In this quick video, I'll show you how to use the polls feature located under Smart Tools. Scroll down on the left, click the drop-down arrow, and select Polls. In the polls, you simply mouse over Actions and click Add Poll. This is where you're going to ask your question. Something like, what's your favorite feature in SMS-iT? Now, you only have to put in two options. I'm going to put in here polls, and I'm going to say polls are a great way to know your audience. So you put in the option if they respond with A. Then you put in what response you want them to get if they choose that option. For the next one, I'm going to put voice broadcast. And I'm going to say this is an excellent way to share your voice with your groups and get a callback. Now, if you scroll down, you're going to notice something down here called auto reply message. Mouse over this question mark. This is the default message if somebody doesn't choose one of the responses you've given. So let's say they type X, Y, or Z. You may say, oops, that's not one of the choices. Please choose A or B. And then I'm going to hit save. Once I've saved this, now I've got a poll, and I can simply send it out to my groups by clicking on the Send Poll button and selecting the group I want to send it to. Now, down below, you can see the preview. Just kind of shows you a little bit of what it says. What's your favorite feature in SMS-iT? A, polls, B, voice broadcast, reply with your letter of choice. Now, the next thing over here will also show you your poll report. If you want to see the stats, this button will allow you to edit the poll, and if you want to delete it, you can do so with the red button. And that's how easy it is to send out a poll with SMS-iT.